All right, that's Coach Oscar. I'm a transformational coach, speaker, and a world creator. Now, what we do, part of what I do and how I help people is when I take people on a journey of transformation. The reason why I do this is I've been fired from my job twice. I've been in a space where you had that job you always loved or that thing that you always like, and somehow all of a sudden it's taken from you. The question is, how do you respond to that? Now, sitting to complain is just not a way out. So I started this mastermind program where I help people to hold them accountable and taking action. Now, over the years, I've come to discover that it is really not what people don't have that is the problem. It is what they have and don't know what to do with it. So we started a mastermind program, and of course, anyone that have been on my program, whether it's the live event or the webinar that we hold or we run, it's all about accountability, ruthless execution, taking that action you need to get the stuff done. Done with the C, you do not lack motivation. It's not the absence of motivation that have held you back. What have held you back is you just not doing it. And that's where the result or the transformation comes from. You want to get the result, take that one step. Guys, if you've been following me or you just stumbled on this video and you're not following me on social media, why don't you just start following me on all of the platforms? Get that daily motivation and get that push you need to take the action. Coach Oscar signs out, and I look forward in the next video. Now I can help you take that next big step. Thank you guys.